In nature, changes take place almost imperceptibly. But if we condense time, even the most subtle changes become an event for anyone to see. Time-lapse shows us in seconds what happens over many hours, days, or even months. This is how Maurice Hilleman discovered the secret of influenza. By lining up strains of the virus in chronological order, Hilleman was able to see these viruses change over time, like a series of photographs. Most viruses don't change, so it's easy for our immune systems to recognize them from one year to the next. Influenza virus is different. The keys on its surface change with each generation. Antibodies to this year's virus may not attach to the surface of next year's virus. Inside your lungs, influenza virus will quickly invade healthy cells. While your immune system adapts to the new keys on its surface, the virus continues to reproduce and mutate. This is the secret of influenza's survival. With each duplication, the virus changes, altering its surface keys slightly. In this way, it avoids detection and always stays one step ahead of the immune system. Sped up, you can see the viral keys mutate. These changes are hard for the immune system to recognize. Such gradual mutations are called antigenic drift and are why we see new outbreaks of influenza every year. Another way influenza viruses change is by antigenic shift, which is far more deadly. Influenza viruses that grow in birds usually can't grow in humans because the surface keys of bird viruses don't match human cell receptors. But if a new bird virus were able to infect human cells, it could overwhelm our immune systems. Where do bird flu viruses learn to infect people? Pigs. Pig cells have locks that both bird and human flu viruses can open. This makes pig cells ideal for combining genes of human and bird flu viruses. Human and bird flu genes combine at random inside the pig cell, resulting in a new type of flu virus, one that no human immune system has ever seen before. So instead of the keys gradually changing, the new virus keys have changed completely, and all at once. This is antigenic shift. And such dramatic change has the potential to make everyone on the planet sick.